Right, welcome to Moto Francisco. This is Mr. Francisco sharing with you my ride. This is a ride on the Diokno Highway. We just came from Anilao, Mabini, Batangas, Bawan, Batangas. We made a right from Bawan going into Diokno Highway. This is a very pleasant route going to Tagaytay. A nice countryside, well paved, very easy to ride this highway. As you can see, there are the occasional trucks, and now we'll go hyper speed. Here we go. Phew! Hyper speed. Okay. So, we can see that there are some trucks like this one. We are following a truck. And we are taking our time because we're making sure that we're safe when we overtake this truck. I am riding a Vespa GTS 150. There we made a safe overtake. We can also see that a lot of motorcycles plying this road. Oh, we made to hyper speed. Going up just to see what the road looks like. It's very nice roads, countryside roads. Okay, as you go up in this road, you'll notice a lot of double lines. Right now there's a single line. So meaning in not all places, no, you can't just overtake. We like to say this is an orange zone, meaning there's a lot of traffic in that area, pedestrian traffic. You can see here there are also locals who are on their motorcycles who are not wearing helmets. That's a no-no, but that's how the locals do it. I just finished an overtake there of a truck. This is a very nice highway to ride on because there are nice twisties like that one. And you'll notice, and that's why we went back to normal speed, that the temperature gets colder as we approach Tagaytay. And now you can see that one is the castle. A lot of people actually go here to take their pictures taken with the castle that looks like Disneyland. That is actually an abandoned theme park. You see the castle structure right there. Apart from that, that's about it. That castle structure is actually part of Lemery, Batangas. Okay. Back to super speed with Mr. Francisco on Moto Francisco as we go up to Tagaytay. Whoop! Slow down. Normal speed. This is one of those modern restaurant, bed and breakfast we just passed by. Quite intriguing. Nice view from there. So if you're in the Tagaytay area, you don't want to be part of the traffic on the main road of Tagaytay, you can go down the Diokno Highway and have your coffee, maybe a breakfast there as an alternative. Okay, so we're gonna speed things up again as we continue our ride up to Tagaytay on the Diokno Highway. At this point, you can really feel it's much colder. So your riding gear, your jacket, you'll really appreciate it. You get to feel the wind blow on your jacket, your face. It's fresh air. It's just wind coming from Taal Lake. Taal Lake is known for, of course, the smallest, probably one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It's a lake within a lake. It's a volcano within that big lake. So some portions of the Diokno Highway are being repaired, as you can see there. This is already in the Canyon Woods area. You can see the fence. Looks like a log cabin. So in Taal Lake, if the conditions are fine, you can go boating. Some people go stand-up paddleboarding. Some people go windsurfing, kiteboarding. Some people take their speedboats out and do some skiing and wakeboarding. Personally, I've tried wakeboarding on Taal and it's beautiful. Okay, so we're going up to Tagaytay. There's some twisties here.
Okay, I'm a driver. This is Mr. Francisco. This is my trip to join in.
There are a lot of bicycles also going up to Tagaytay. It's a pleasant ride. It's the weather, as I mentioned. Temperature is very pleasant. There are lots of places where you can have breakfast here. Just have to make your choice and sometimes make your reservations ahead. Because on weekends, it gets quite chaotic. This particular trip was made on a weekday, so it wasn't quite as hectic. Me and my buddy Toby are communicating via communication system, Bluetooth on our helmets. Okay, so as we go through Diokno Highway, climbing Diokno Highway, we will eventually reach Tagaytay Highway. The Tagaytay Highway or Tagaytay Road is a 43.86 kilometer 2 to 4 lane secondary highway in the provinces of Cavite, Batangas, Philippines. It connects Tagaytay in Cavite and the municipality of Nasugbu in Batangas. This is according to Wikipedia. It's also lined with a lot of restaurants, bed and breakfasts, entry to other exclusive subdivisions. Back in the 80s, I remember it's a big deal to really have a place to stay in Tagaytay. 80s, 90s, when malling wasn't such a huge thing. People would actually go out to Tagaytay and go for a break. This part of the twisties is very enjoyable. This will meet a bridge, a white bridge. Let's go on top. try to stay in the middle lane or outside lane so we don't encounter any cars on coming traffic. And this is the white bridge I was telling you about. Oh, nice. It's like you're not in the Philippines at this point. Still improving the roads here. See, they're laying down sewer pipes. As you can see, this is filmed in May of 2021. The borders have just started opening up. GCQ. Quarantine has been progressively being lifted. At this junction here, we are going to make a right turn. This is already Tagaytay May Highway.
Heavy use of glass when possible would take it doesn't get hot inside the glass. Lamig nila.
First big commercial establishment you will pass by is actually Twin Lakes. There are different restaurants there. You have Bag of Beans, Starbucks, and other places where you can have good food. There's parking in front. A lot of people actually go there to have their picture taken. You have a nice view of Taal. Very convenient. So if you're riding from Lemery, going up to Tagaytay, it's a nice place to take a break, stretch your arms, have a drink, rehydrate, very important, reset your senses, reflexes. Here we are looking for parking. You can actually park in front of Starbucks. There's a parking spot there. They'll allow you as long as you're a customer of Starbucks. If you're a customer of Bag of Beans, there's also parking there. So this place is pretty okay. Woo! We made it. There you go. Oh, by the way, the Starbucks here opens at 8 a.m.
Fine.
Thank you very much. If you like this, please subscribe and click the notification button and the like button. Thank you. So we can make more of these ride videos for you. Enjoy your ride. Moto Francisco.